So this is one of the seller accounts I am using to promote and host my digital products. And you can see on this seller account alone, I have made over 3 million naira. Let me refresh this page so you can see that this is real. So the page has been refreshed and you can see the total volume being displayed in different currencies. Here I have made a total number of 1,921 sales, and I have made over 1.4 million naira on this account. I have made $10. I have made over 15,000 Ghana cedis. And if I'm to convert this to naira, if I come to this website, you can see as at the time of recording this video, 1 Ghana cedi equals over 105 naira. And if I'm to check 15,454 Ghana cedis, you can see I would have over 1.6 million naira. Okay, so I've been able to make over 3 million naira just on this seller account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a seller account for free, and also how to upload your digital product on your seller store and start making sales. Now, before we get into the video, let me show you my seller store. So you can see here, this is my seller store, and when I scroll down, you can see the different products I have uploaded on my seller store. All right, so let's get started with the setup process. So to get started, go to your browser and type in this website, selar.co. all right, so when you type in this website and you search it, it will bring you to the official Selar website. And Selar is an all-in-one e-commerce store builder where you can sell any kind of digital product or service to anyone, anywhere in the world. The good thing about Selar is that the sign up is completely free, and also you can receive payment in different currencies. So if I come to one of my products, which is this one, and I click on this currency tag here, you can see you can receive payment in different currencies. So once you upload your product on Selar and someone sees the product and clicks on the pay button to purchase the product, Selar will deduct their commission and send the remaining revenue to your bank account. All right, so let me come to this tab and show you the Selar transaction fees. So if the transaction is in naira, the standard rate would be 4% of the amount plus 50 naira per sale. Okay, so this is the transaction rate in naira. If it's in dollar, you'll be charged 7% plus 50 cents per sale. All right, then if it's in pounds, you'll be charged 70%, and if it's in Ghana cedis, you'll be charged 5% plus 1 cedi, and then other currencies here. So you just need to go through this place. I'm going to be dropping the link in the video description to this page so you can check the different transaction fees for different currencies. Okay, so without wasting time, let's create a seller account and start uploading our products. So to create a seller account, come to the official Selar website and click on start selling. Then it brings us to the sign up page, and on the sign up page, I'll just go to the name, fill in your information. So I will just quickly fill in my details here. Then you check this and you click on create account. And when you click on create account, let me just close this. It brings you to this page and asks you, how do you plan to use Selar? Now there are three different profiles here. You can sign up to Selar as a creator if you want to sell product on Selar. You can sign up as a creator and then upload your product on Selar, or you can sign up as an affiliate marketer where you get to help others to promote their products and then get a commission. Or you can sign up as a customer where you buy products on Selar and you have access to the products you buy. Now the good thing about all these things is that you can switch to different profiles. So if you sign up as a creator, you can switch to an affiliate, and if you sign up as an affiliate, you can always switch to a customer, and so on. So let me quickly show you that here. If I come to my Selar dashboard, you can see I signed up as a creator, and this is my creator profile. And anytime I want to switch to the customer mode, I can just come here and I can switch to my customer profile, or I can switch to the affiliate profile. So you don't really need to be worried so much about this. You can just choose anyone you want. But for this video, I want to show you how to sign up as a creator and upload your products on Selar. So we'll be signing up with this one. So just choose this one, scroll down and click continue as a creator. Then it brings you to this page where you have to select your gender. So I'll choose this, and then you also have to put your date of birth. So once you do that, you come here and click on save, and now your profile has been saved. Then guys, if you look at the top here, your email is not verified yet. Check your inbox for the mail. So a verification link was sent to your email, so you need to go and verify your email. So I'll just come to my email, and you can see Selar here. So I click on it, and then I can scroll down here and click on confirm your email, and now you can see that my email has been verified successfully. After verifying your email, the next step would be to add your bank details, okay, so that when you make a sale, the commission would be sent to your bank account. So just come here and click on add bank details. Then it brings you to this page. Select your country, so I'll choose Nigeria, and then select the bank. So I'll just come here and look for First Bank. So I'll choose First Bank and come to the account number. So I'll just put in my account number, and I'll click on verify account details. Now you can see that it brought out my account name for me, which shows that my account details are correct. So I'll click on continue. I'll click on OK, and you can see my details have been saved successfully. And now the next step is to add your products. So here I'll just come and click on add products, and when I do that, it brings me to the page to select the type of product I want to add. So you can add a physical product, you can add a digital product, you can add tickets, subscriptions, services, and all that. So we are going to be adding a digital product. So I'll click on next for this digital product, and it brings me to the page to add my product. So here the first thing would be to add the product image, which is this one here. Let me just bring this close. So this is my product image, you can see it here. So we need to add that product image, which is like a thumbnail. So I'll click here and I'll choose this flyer and I'll upload it. Now you can upload more than one image. If I come here, you can see there's a carousel here. I have two images by clicking on this carousel. So you can upload more than one image. And for the product title, I'll just put in my product title here. And for the price, I can put in something like 4,500 naira for the price. And if you want to show a striked out price, like if you want to strike out the original price, you can click here and I can write the original price to be 12,500. So they will strike out this price and show that the current sales price is 4,500. all right, so this is what you have. Then for the product description is where you describe your product, you give information, more information about the product you're selling. So I can just come here and copy this much. I won't copy too much, I'll just copy this. So I'll copy it, come to this place, and I will paste it here. So you can just come here and write the description of your product, and you can use these formatting options to format your product, like giving it a background and all that. So if I want to give this text a background, I can just highlight it come to this place and give it a yellow background, and now you can see the background is yellow. So you can play around with all these options. After putting in the description, you scroll down, and for the categories you can just choose the product category. So there are different categories. For me, I can choose anyone. I can just choose professional, since it's a data analysis training. And for the subcategories, I can choose professional development. Then you scroll down, and on this section for more details, if this product is a pre-order, you can check this if you want, but this is not a pre-order, it's a video course and it's ready, so I won't check this. Then you come to advanced option, and you can put in the checkout button. This is the call to action. You see here, if I scroll to the top, we have pay now. So you can write what you want here. You can write purchase now, you can write buy now, you can write order now, anything you want here. So I'll come here and I'll write pay now. So I will just put pay now, and then I'll come back to more details and I will scroll down. Then you get to this part. This part is very important, guys. When someone successfully purchases your product, what would be the next step? So there are two options here. Let me uncheck this and show you. So you can either give buyer access to the file, or you can automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. All right, so if I click on give buyer access to a file, you can upload the file you want a buyer to download if it's a downloadable file. So if it's an ebook you want them to download, you can just come here and select the file and upload it here. Now you should note that the maximum file size is 750 megabytes. So you can just come here and upload the file you want them to download, or if it's a read online only file, if it's a file you just want them to read online without downloading, you can come here and upload it. So this should be a PDF file. So you can just come here and upload it so that after payment they can just read the file or the product online. So you can choose these options. So if you don't want to use any of these, you can choose the second one, which is to automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. So let's say you have a Telegram group or you have a WhatsApp link you want them to be redirected to. You can just choose this option and then put the link so that after successful purchase they can reach you through that link. They will be redirected to message you or contact you through that link. All right, so my preferred way is always to choose this. So I'll just deselect this and come down here and choose automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after a purchase. And here you need to put in the website link or the WhatsApp link or any link you want them to be redirected to. So I want to redirect them to my WhatsApp DM, and to do that I need to create a WhatsApp link and put it here. So I can just come and go to a new tab, and then I'll go to this website, create.wa.link, so that I can create my WhatsApp link. So just come to this website and search it. I'll drop the link in the video description to make it very easy for you. And when it brings you to this page, click on create a free WhatsApp link. Then you come here and put in your phone number. So I'll just quickly put in my phone number here. And for the message, I can customize a message. So I can write something like, so I can just put in something like this, and then I click on create my WA link. So you can see my WhatsApp link has been created successfully, and all you now need to do is to click here to copy this link. You can see it has been copied. Then I go back to my product page, and then I put in this link here. So this means when someone purchases this successfully, it will redirect them to my WhatsApp DM. All right, So once you check that everything is fine, just scroll down and click on create product, and then guys, you can see that our product has been created successfully, and here we have the link to access that product. You can see the link is here. So if I copy this link, I can copy this link address and use this link to run ads on Facebook, or I can post this link anywhere I want, and when someone clicks on this links on this particular link, it brings them to my product. So let's test this link in another tab. So I'll just come here and choose incognito window, and let's test this link out. Then you can see that it opens up for me, and you can see here we have data analysis and data science bundle. You can see the description here, and you can also see that the sales price is 4,500 naira, while the original price is 12,500 naira, which is being striked out. So here the person can come and click on pay now. So we are going to be testing this product, but I don't want us to make a live payment. So what I will do, I will go back to my product link, and now let me just change this price and leave it at 0 so that we can test it. So I'll just come here and I will update the product. So I will go back to this page and I will refresh it, and now you can see that the price is free. So let's try to purchase this product and see if everything is going to work. So I'll just come here and I will click on pay now. Then it brings me here, it asks me the quantity. I'll just choose 1, and then I can click on checkout. Then it asks me for the name. So for my name, I can write maybe Kingsley. Just put in Kingsley. And for the email, I can put in an email like this. So I'll just put in an email and I'll click on continue. And then you can see, hi Kingsley, thanks for your purchase. You'll be redirected to this link, and just watch, I'm going to be redirected. You can see chat us on WhatsApp. So I can click here, continue to chat, and you can see the message we customize. Hello Fortune, I just paid for the course, I need access. So we are trying to contact Fortune that we have paid for this course and we need access. So you can see that everything is working properly. Okay, so let's now go back to our email and check if the sale was being registered. So I come back to our email, and then you can see here we have this notification that new sale. So if I click here, congratulations Fortunes James, you just made a sale, and you can see that this sale is being registered in our email. So you can see how everything is very, very easy. Now let me go to this place so that we can access our dashboard and see if this sales was registered. So I come back to the product page, I click here and I come to sales. Just come to sales and I'll click on sales. And when I click on sales and you scroll down, you can see that it has registered a successful sale. 15-in-1 data analysis and data science bundle. Customer full name is Kingsley. Look at their email here. You can see the reference, you can see the transaction date, you can see the amount. If I scroll to this side, you can see every detail about this sale is here. So right now we have one number of sale on this seller account. Okay, so that is basically how you create your seller account, and that is how you upload content to your seller account. Alright, so that is it for this video, guys. If you got value from this video, or if this is your first time of being to my channel, please guys take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I drop videos on how to make money online and also how to create websites. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so you can always get notified when I drop future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.